March 2018. A scientific paper sparks a sensation in the press. In it, a team of 33 scientists, including Dr. Chandra Wickramasinghe, claim that octopuses possess extraterrestrial DNA.
What we find in the octopus genome is just almost uncanny. It has something like 50,000 genes. Compare that with the human, which has something like 25,000 genes. So the octopus in many ways appears to be more complex than the human. And how did this complexity manifest itself? There's ample evidence to suggest that it came from outside.
As scientists study octopi, they're amazed at what they're finding, and they're not seeing a connection to some ancestor of the octopi. It's like these creatures were brought here in their entirety and put into our oceans.
The octopus is a really fascinating organism. The octopus's brain, instead of just being centered in its head like ours, is actually distributed. There are these brains in their arms as well as the central brain in their head. Octopuses are very adept at camouflaging themselves by changing their color to that of their surrounding really quickly. I mean, almost it looks instantaneous to us.
Some scientists have speculated that in the absence of humans, the animal best suited to evolve into the dominant species on the planet is not another primate, but the octopus. And there is one ability in particular that suggests the octopus could one day rule the Earth. It can edit its own genetic code.
DNA, the double helix, is like a zipper. The zipper can be unzipped. And then another molecule is created called RNA. RNA transfers the information from DNA to proteins. So the octopus have the amazing ability to edit their RNA. Thus, they can make new proteins.
Although this ability isn't fully understood, it suggests that the octopus can rapidly adapt to its environment far faster than other creatures.
What RNA editing does is essentially mediated by changes in the environment, usually temperature, for example.
Camouflaging skin, tool use, the ability to edit its own genetic code. Is it possible that this extraordinary creature, with 3 hearts and 9 brains, is not from Earth? Perhaps evidence can be found by examining mythological accounts from across the ancient world.
We have to ask ourselves, is it possible that the ancients were aware that the octopus is truly alien to this planet?
Is it possible that the octopus is related to a race of extraterrestrials that visited Earth thousands of years ago? Or did our ancestors encounter intelligent creatures that were the result of alien experimentation? March 2018.
To test how intelligent octopuses are, an octopus was put into a jar and the lid was closed to see if the octopus would be able to come out by opening the lid. Then in actual the octopus came out by opening the lid. But well, here the octopus had to save his life, that's why he opened the lid. So another experiment was done where the octopus was put out and a crab was sealed in a jar. This time it was to be seen whether the octopus would try to eat the crab or not. And guess what? This time too the octopus opened the lid and ate the crab. Even octopuses are so intelligent that when they are put in a strange maze, they still find the exit door and get out safe. To test how intelligent octopuses are, an octopus was put into a jar and